Hey guys, in this video I'll do a Veed.io honest review. Okay, watch this before you actually use it. So if you're thinking about using Veed.io for your video editing needs, right, I'll give you the pros and also give you the cons. Let's start with pros. Okay, let's be nice. Pros: beginner friendly. It's great for, quick web-based video edit, making it a solid choice for those who want to learn complex software. And if we go over the audios, the subtitles, auto subtitles, the translation, and this is actually one of the standout features, is its automatic, subtitle generator, which many users find more accurate than the competitors. And you can even translate subtitles into different languages. Okay. And also, what I would say is they do have, cloud-based convenience where there's no need to download anything. You can just edit from your browser, right? But there are cons as well. A lot of cons, in fact. So let's start with it being buggy, being unreliable, because many users report crashes, okay? And lost projects, issues with, saved work disappearing, right? Even with all the changes, saved message showing. Like, it will show, but then the work just doesn't exist. It's not saved. It's not actually saved. And the pricing can be sometimes, confusing and expensive because some users feel that misled by Veed's pricing structure. Basically, the base plan might seem affordable, but certain features require additional payments, leading to unexpected costs. Look at this right here, for example. Now, and you can see like it's 12 hours per month, things like that. It's not very, very clear. Now, that's one of the other cons, another aspect. And one I would say is it also has aggressive watermarks. So the free plan, right? If you don't pay, the Veed basically slaps a distracting watermark that jumps around your video, making it nearly unusable. So what other people do, they have, right, a watermark on like a corner or side. You can crop it out. But Veed, the watermark is jumping around. It literally ruins the video. Like, I could upload a video with a watermark, sure, but at least it's like they're in the corner. Like, I could ignore it, but this one is literally jumping around in the video. That's a big no. So another aspect is the poor customer support, right? The refund requests, they're often denied. Okay, and even if Veed itself is the one that caused the issue, right, you will be auto denied usually. And some users lost hours and hours of work, right, and still couldn't get their money back. And if you are looking for alternatives, I would say you could do DaVinci Resolve, best free alternative, professional grade. Canva video editor, great for quick, simple edits, actually free. There's Capwing, another online editor with a better stability. Someone actually recommended, even Canva and Capwing. I'm sure you saw someone did recommend it right here. There we go. Right? The Shotcut, someone recommended it right here. As we can see, there's Kden Live. It's another powerful free alternative. So the final verdict is, if you need, right here, DaVinci also being recommended, right? If you need quick, simple edits with, subtitles, don't mind the occasional bug, Veed might work for you. But honestly, if you value reliability, better pricing, stable performance, you better off with alternatives like DaVinci Resolve or Canva. I actually use Canva. It's free. Literally, it does the thing for free, and you can export at really good qualities. So I hope this review was helpful to you, and if it was, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you guys in the next one.